Hello, it's Coolia for Cool Things in Nature. We're building a quinzee. First we gotta pack down the snow to where we're gonna build our quinzee. That's a snow shelter. Now, we pile it up and pack it down. Until it's the right size. Keep mounding the snow. It's nice and high. Mounding and packing. Leanna's over here beating the sides to pack the sides even more. This is gonna be a really cool quinzee. In our quinzee village.
Right now, I'm taking these sticks and sticking them into the walls of the quinzee about 8 inches. That way we have a marker when we're digging it out and we can tell when we should stop.
Nice.
We let the quinzee sit for a little bit over an hour so the snow molecules can bind. And now we can dig it out to create the hole that we will sleep in.
There's one right here.
That one. There it goes. Digging it out. Dig in. Now we're just laying out snow for insulation on the floor, and we're ready to sleep 4 in the quinzee. And it took all day. It's dark out. Yay! Quinzees, cool thing in nature!